Hi, good morning everyone. Today I have another unboxing from LV. It's a SLG, which is a small leather good. So let's see what we have to unbox today. This was an item that I bought a few months back, and it's in a standard orange box, and it's in a drawstring, a drawer box similar to this. Can you guess what this is given the size? It's a pretty popular piece, so it would not be unfamiliar to you guys. It's actually the 6 key holder in brown interior and a monogram print. So this piece is, I heard a lot of good reviews about it, how people used it for years and has served them very well, and hence I got it. It's made in France for my piece, but I understand that this could be made in Italy, Spain, or the USA. So in terms of compact and size, I tested it out and I'm able to fit about 3 to 4 cards in this back pocket before there's some issues with the sensor. Other than that, there's a 6 key ring card holder here. 6 key holder here. Between this and the 4 key holder, the reason why I chose this is because I felt that this is more practical. The 4 key holder definitely can't put any cards, so I do put my apartment access key here, and all I have to do, and it's credit card, and then all I have to do is to go out with simply this. One thing that I noted is that if you look closely, there's this lining, this leather lining. Initially when I bought it, there had been some glue and white particles coming out. I brought down to the shop to clean it, which they offer as part of the standard service. And apparently it can go down as many times as you want. So they managed to clean it up, and they said it's normal for first time user or when you just break into the product. And if there's any other glue that's coming out of white particles, I can go down anytime. Ever since I brought it down, it hasn't appeared since then, so all is good. And the snap flat closure as well in the golden color metallic piece. I was recommended to get it in this material to make it last longer. All in all, I say that this is a very fast free product. It's actually my first key holder, and before that I initially thought this would be a very non-practical piece, given that most people don't use key holders these days, but I find myself having used it quite a few times, and it's much easier to locate my stuff in my bags or between bags, or just keeping it in my living room, so that it's a quick grab and go. And that's it for the unboxing today. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.